how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really, really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
BBC lelaka yi ọbara Biafra ole ka ị ga-egbu. BBC bụ ọbara Biafra ole ka ị ga-egbu. BBC Igbo ọbara ụmụaka ole ka ị ga-egbu. BBC Igbo lelaka yi o aka anyị dịkwa ọcha. Lelaka yi o lelaka yi. Let the soul of our saints, the Biafra heroes, rest in peace.
Justice.
All help Biafra.
BBC help Biafra. British help Biafra. All must help
Biafra.
All must help
Biafra.
Biafra. Biafra. Biafra. A child that says that the mother will not sleep.
You don't go sleep. That's so. You will not sleep.
And the person that is holding a child's pain when you're holding something that belongs to a child. And your hand is being when your hand starts paining you, what will you do? Now their hands are paining them. Instead of them to bring their hands back, they are calling other countries to help them to do what they're supposed to continue doing. But in a short one,
yes, so
we must leave. We are in BBC office today.
Yes, sir.
And I'm here to represent media, and it happens to be a media house.
That's right.
We are here for a purpose. In our land, we are being killed every day. And nobody is saying anything. The BBC tell them to shut up their mouth, and they are giving them a lot of money to keep quiet. But we don't have anyone to advocate for us. We have no one to speak for us. No one to speak for us. We are here today to let them know that what they are doing, we know everything. We are not hiding. Like they say, some saying that they are terrorists. Are we terrorists?
No.
I can't hear you very well. Are we terrorists?
No, we are visible.
If you are terrorists, we mean that we're here.
That's right.
If I'm a terrorist, I don't think I can freely move around in this country.
That BBC.
But they are saying that IPOB is a terrorist organization. What makes us terrorists, please? Someone that does not even hold ordinary a stone in the hand, going out, we are carrying just placards and banners, walking and saying, stop killing us. Tomorrow you come back to say that person that said, you are killing me for not doing anything, that I am not a terrorist. Where is it being held?
BBC, can you hear it?
BBC, we are standing here to say you're a terrorist.
That's right.
Because you protect the people you're supposed to expose.
That's right.
And the people you're supposed to protect, you are putting them in more danger.
Accomplice.
Why can you come out to write nonsense about what is happening? Imagine what happened yesterday. We have over 100 and something people, children were being killed in Kanu State. And you turn out to say that it's just a gas what? Explosion. Suicide bomber. The person that witnessed it said that they saw the man dressed like a madman walk into the primary school.
BBC media, shame on you.
That is exactly what they're doing in our land. Every day they kill both our young men,
BBC
they kill our parents. Some men, some women, they have become
for the world.
childless. Parents have become childless, and the children have become orphans.
Sympathizers.
And you cannot come out to say the truth. You are hiding the truth. Is it not time for you to tell the truth for once? There is a day of reckoning is coming. And when that day comes, everyone will start to give account.
That's right.
BBC will start to give account of what they do.
That's right.
What you did in our land from 1967 up to date is still counting. You will see the truth and they will give you brand envelope. You will pocket it. You come out to say it's not the truth. How can you see white, you turn it and the white have become black? And you want everybody to believe you. Instead, people are writing, trying to make everything possible to make sure we are being tagged terrorists. I don't think if I'm a terrorist, I cannot be here today.
That's right.
None of us standing here, none of us look at terrorists. We stand on the truth. And that truth is that Biafra must go.
That's right.
No one speaks for us. We, our own medians. They call us the so-called media warriors. They don't even know who we are again. DCB are so-called media warriors of IPOB. We don't mind whatever you call us. But all we know that the truth must be preserved.
That's right.
And we are standing on the truth.
That's right.
We are the media. I'm standing here as one of the media to tell you that we stand only on the truth.
That's right.
And the truth we believe will set us free. And that truth is that Biafra must go home.
That's right.
Whether they like it or not.
That's right.
We are already going home. And there is nothing you can do about it. No matter the kind of envelope they give to you, no matter the kind of packaging they give to you, no matter the kind of billion van, they used to bring all the whole pounds to you in order to close the truth. There is a proof from where they're coming from. The same way a woman is pregnant, you cannot cover it for someone. You can't cover the pregnancy. One day, definitely it must show. That is what Biafra is. We are standing on the light. We are the children of the light. The children of Chukwuka Biama. God knows the purpose He brought us and He kept us on that the rising sun. We are the rising sun. You can never cover the sun. One day the sun must shine. And our sun is busy. We are here to stand to say, whether they like it or not. First of all, they are good people of beauty. Yes, they are good people. I know there are people good of them, good of them that are working here. Because they are this say we cannot say this. We are people not betray it. They know what is wrong. We never speak it. We have only one life. Everyone is accountable to one life. When you write a wrong story, an evil story against someone that did not harm you, there is a day that repercussion is coming. You have children, your children's children. We are not the ones that are being killed in 1967. We are not the one, but they have resurrected in us. That is why we are here today to say we need freedom. And nothing but freedom. Anything beyond that is no. We are going home. Biafrans are going home. So please, we are begging you, BBC. You have time now to restrain yourself. Write the story the way it is. We are not telling you to paint it, no. Don't paint the story. Don't write it to suit us. Don't write it to suit anyone. But write it the way it is. They have been killing us. Why are you closing it? The people must come out to say we need freedom. Why are you coming out to pay our media warners? Why are you offering them money to shut up, not to speak the truth? We cannot stop speaking the truth. We are standing on the truth. We only have one media, and that is IPOB media. We are standing on the truth. We speak it, you come to our land, you kill us. After killing us, then you cover the story. They will kill children. You cover the story. Some of you here are parents. How will you feel if someone comes and kill your child? I don't think you're going to be happy about it. Then why are you covering the stories? Why are you covering the truth? And you painted it to suit you. You painted it to suit them because of the oil in our land. Our director has said it. That we don't give me the oil. That's what you need is our freedom. When we have our freedom, you come, we give you oil free. We will give you oil free. The way you're taking it from the zoo now, the way you're taking it from the Nigerians now, you got here without measure, without anything, you open and you are taking it. Now look at what is happening between Russia and Ukraine. You can't use that one to tag us down. You can't use it. I know that the only source you have now is Biafra land. That is why you're taking your oil. But we are ready to give it to you. Pass away with it. You can have our oil, but all we need is freedom. Freedom!
It's a basic
We are not asking for money for the best sake. We are not asking for anything. Only freedom. We want to be free. Look at what is happening in our land today. They are killing every day. A lot of people are dying. Genocide everywhere. In Delta yesterday, how many people were killed? They say it was bomb explosion, that was bomb explosion. Why will it be yesterday? In Kanu State, what? The same thing. They kill children, and they're telling us that is what? In Sokoto, they killed Deborah. Why did they kill her? They asked her, she was having a good record in her case. They said, what happens to you? Why you haven't said it's Jesus? That is only thing she said. They said, why are you saying that she's blasphemous? She said that she should apologize for saying what you said. Everybody has their own belief. In that country, they don't allow us to practice what we believe on. They want us to be a slave. We cannot be a slave forever. And that is why we are speaking out. And that is why the media, we are coming out in full mass, in full force, to tell them we are the one to write our story.
That's right.
We don't need anyone to write our story, because if they want to rewrite it, they will doctrinate it. We have to write our own story. We are the one to tell our story. Even our children, they cannot kill us anymore.
That's right.
Even if those ones they killed in the past, why are these ones still springing up now? The truth cannot be hidden for a long time. And all we are asking is our freedom. Okay, Biafra. BBC help Biafra. Britain help Biafra. Almost
All hail the children of God. We are the original. The creation of the world started from Biafra land. Jesus Christ is a Biafran. He was born in that land of Biafra. If you don't like it, find a transformer very close to yourself. This is who we are. Sorry. I'm going to call my brother, High Tent, Orji. Please, my 2 minutes is my 2 minutes. If I come close to you, it's the time to.
Good afternoon, everyone listening. Please, my people, as many as are listening to me, I greet you all. I greet you, Mr. Nnamdi. We are here in good time. We've been here before and before and before. But what we want to do this afternoon is to remind you again. You are the big boss of BBC, yes? And we are here in good time. Yes, sir. You will never you. What I'm simply saying is that we are angry. It's just a reminder. We keep the best. I greet you with peace. We are here for peace. And the people you are looking at here bring a message. What is that message? You'll be writing a wicked report against Biafra. For years, you never write anything about Biafra. When you start comporting message, which Donald Trump called fake news. Stop! And now, all of you listening to me, if Tim Davis is not here telling now that Biafra is warning him to stop. He is the big man of BBC. Yes, it's good. We love that. But he should do what he's there for. Otherwise, very soon he will get off, and another person will be there.
Let him not.
And that is why we are here to tell him, Tim Davis, all protocol of that. I tell you again, we are here for that message. See all these men here, a lot of them are somewhere, restless, being killed. You never care. It's to change your write-up, your junk messages. I beg you, in the name of Chukwu, if you won't write any news about Biafra, don't write fake ones. Please. Otherwise, you have a lot of offices in the whole world. The whole world, we are more than the number of staff you have in the offices. Because if you want to be undoing Biafrans, we will not take it anymore. We are just warning. Right here, whatever, but don't change messages or narratives to be slaughtering Biafrans. We are here for that. Then send this message to the leaders of this nation that you have been concocting messages that have killed uncountable people and still killing them. That you should stop from now. Stop from now. Tim Davis, you keep on calling your name. Stop that we out of this message. We've been saying it over and over again. But I hope you will take it from now. If you keep writing that junk, we will keep, in short, we cannot tell you anything, but the thing is, do the right thing. Stop that junk. All those fake news you are turning upside down, trying to tell people, nothing all the rubbish in write-up, nothing good, but you better write what you need to write. Please, and please again, we want to tell you that the people of Biafra, they are here for good. Most of the people you see here, they are the people paying your what? Your salary as you are sitting there. So you don't have to underrate them. Most of them, you see them here, but what they are advocating is that this is stop being difficult. Look at what you are sitting on. That's wickedness. Stop it. In the name of fake news, in the name of using your staff, people back here, what you are doing is entering their life. What you are doing is entering their own business. And the people there are tired for no reason. Tell their people that people are tired. That's why we are here. It's not all, it's not going to be easy. But it's going, and we are telling you now, it's on record. All hail Biafra.
All hail. Please, Lord, okay?
British Prosecuting Commission.
1 second, please. After a few minutes of listening.
Give the shit. You know about fake news. Give the shit. British citizen.
Enyanyi Biafra wanting to die, may I call him man. Enyanyi Biafra wanting to. Enyanyi Biafra wanting to die, may I call him man. Enyanyi Biafra.
That is a great man we are talking about. He was kidnapped by Buhari, the dead Buhari government, the presidency. He is the man they kidnapped. He is a British citizen, but the British is not talking. The whole world, nobody is speaking. But God, people get that man. It's with us. And must fight for us. Our victory is sure. Oh, we are there. Connect here to speak. My Bluetooth.
Biafra, IDOB, 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 one family, one family, one family. Please, inviting our brother, to speak to us, please. 5 minutes. As you can see us here this afternoon, we are indigenous people of Biafra, under the leadership of Nnamdi. We are the sons and daughters of Ipob. We are also here today because it's over 50 years. The Biafra War, Nigerian war took place, and Biafrans lost over 50 million, over 3 million Biafrans lost their lives during this war. And BBC was in that war, they covered that event. We are here also at BBC House London to protest and show our solidarity to our leader, Nnamdi, who is a British citizen. He was also in court today for his extraordinary rendition, which took place in Kenya. This is no longer a news to BBC. The BBC, owned by the British government, who claims to have colonized us, were in Nigeria during this Biafran and Nigerian civil war, which took over 3 million Biafrans. BBC decided not to broadcast the atrocities and genocide that took place in Biafra land. From 1970, after the Nigerian Biafran war, till today, we are here today to protest also for the killing which has been ongoing in Biafra land. But the BBC still refused to broadcast these atrocities that have been going on in Nigeria. We are here today to ask BBC why. Why are you not broadcasting these atrocities that are going on in Biafra? We ask BBC why. Can we ask BBC? Why? Can we ask BBC? Why? Can we ask BBC? Why? Biafrans have been crying for help to the international community, but the BBC and all the international media kept silence from these killings and atrocities going on in Biafra. The Boko Haram, the Fulani herdsmen, and the Nigerian military bandits have been killing innocent youths, raping our young girls and our women in our farmlands across eastern part of Nigeria. This is no longer a news to BBC. The BBC have broadcasted. The BBC refused to broadcast a bit of all these things, for the entire British citizens to know about what is going on in Biafra. You need to know, let your MPs and the House of Lords to know what is going on in Biafra. The children of Biafrans are suffering from this atrocity. We are asking BBC once again, why are you not protesting the atrocities that are going on?
Why, BBC?
Can we ask BBC again, why?
Why?
To prove how bad BBC is. Recently, BBC news,
USA News.
for
Why?
lies and propaganda against the indigenous people of Biafra.
The silent
Because of the hand of
conspiracy.
they may have received
Why?
from the Nigerian government. We are all here asking today,
The silent is
for
conspiracy.
today
Why?
to BBC to be fair in publishing lies against the people of Biafra. BBC has been publishing these lies, and we are here today to plead with you to stop all these things that are going on in Biafra land. We are no longer happy with what is going on in Biafra land. We are asking the British government to look into all these issues and, as a matter of urgency, call for the release of the British diplomat who was, abandoned in Kenya, but yet the BBC refused to, broadcast or report these atrocities, or even to ask for the British citizen, why is he still in detention in the Nigerian government DSS? We need to know, and that's why we're here today to tell the BBC that all the things that they are doing in Biafra land, the whole world is watching.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All hail. I must thank my brother Lodoke specifically. In fact, he was concise and made his life perfect. That's right. He used to be my friend. Lord of Sophia, please, can you speak to us? 5 minutes is my 5 minutes.
IPOB! One family! We are Biafrans. We are not Nigerians. BBC, we are here today to let you to know that you, BBC, who is the broadcaster in this whole world, you are in every country in Africa. But what are you doing for Africa is paining us. That is why we are here to come to tell you, BBC, what a shame to you. Shame on you, BBC. You are telling lies against the Biafran people. We are the indigenous people of Biafra worldwide, and we cannot be quiet anymore. Enough is enough, BBC. BBC should not lie to the world. You should start to tell the truth. Start from yourself.
Your lies are
because your lies is going to caught up with you. BBC, if everybody in Africa stop to pay license, you will go bankrupt very soon. Very soon, because those Biafra people, the indigenous people of Biafra, we will make Africa to know that they must stop paying any license to you. Because of your lies, you cover up, you don't broadcast what you're supposed to broadcast. I don't know what happened to your journalism, because it's lies upon lies. Your lies is killing us, BBC. Tell the truth. You have write all your rubbish reports against indigenous people of Biafra. And now we are here to tell you, stop it. Stop it. Our children has died yesterday. A bomb blast in Nigeria, in the north. Nobody talk about it. The big BBC is not broadcasting it. But BBC can broadcast what happened in Ukraine. You can broadcast what happened in Yemen. You can broadcast, but when it comes to Africa, you are racist, BBC. You are racist. You are the most dangerous BBC channel in this world. Because you are very bad. Very, very bad. Stop your nonsense. Stop that your nonsense lies. Tell the truth. The British government, what the BBC, you are all behind all the genocide that is happening in Biafra land, southeast of Nigeria. You are killing my people, and you want me to keep quiet? You are killing me, and you want me to keep quiet? To cover up your news, I cannot do it. I have to tell you, BBC, please broadcast the truth. Start to broadcast from today the truth, and we will appreciate you. But because you don't broadcast the truth, we will come here until you are fed up of us. We will not stop, right, dear friends?
Yes.
You hear that?
Yes.
They said it, yes. So we are coming again and again. Our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is being locked up in the Nigerian detention.
Was kidnapped.
Kidnapped and extradited rendition from Kenya to Nigeria. Who is behind it? BBC and Britain. Because BBC, if you have report about our leader, then the world would have known. But you keep quiet. You've been silent far too long.
That's right.
It is time for us to boycott you, not to pay any more license.
That's right.
I think we must all stop to pay TV license because that is what makes you rich. But you are not worth it. You are not worth it to get any license. Money from people who you tell lies against. The Biafran people is the people that pay the most highest license BBC in Nigeria, liars. BBC, liars. BBC, liars. BBC, shame on you. You better report the truth. Bless you, dear friends. IPOB, one family. God bless you all.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.